Hello, hello, hello. Showing up, turning up, turn up. Cool. So we are in the console log in a loop, and we want to see the array at j and array at j plus 1. I think I can do this. I think I can just give console.log multiple arguments like this. I can check, of course. And it's so easy to check, why not? You know? Yeah. Log message, just comma separated. Cool. And you would have seen this during the Roman numeral converter, that console logs can be really powerful, can be really useful to show what's going on. Because, with IDEs like VS Code, you can have extensions that will allow you to sort of actually hover over a variable and see what's going on, or step through code and see what's going on. But even then, just having something that logs to the console, shows that, okay, cool, the code is being hit at this point, and these are the values when it does, So yeah, good practice. In your insert input array function. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. I was confused. I was like, we aren't sorting it yet. But yeah, we're building up to that. Sorry. Cool. So we're gonna start bubbling. And we want to check if j is greater than j plus 1. So I've got our if statement here. Again, I would have thought, ooh, no. Sorry, I had an idea, but I would have thought this would be a let, because temp will always be changing. But I'm guessing can't, because they've always wanted to keep it. So if j is bigger than j plus 1, we're going to put, we're going to make temp equal to array at j. We're going to then change array at j and make that equal to array at j plus 1. And then we're going to make array at j plus 1 equal to temp. Right, yeah, okay. So with each comparison, if it's bigger, we're pushing it along and we're bringing the other one back one step. Quite cool. I can just return the array, I guess. Because now we've moved it around, haven't we? So throughout this entire thing, we'll be rearranging the array that we gave in, so we can just return array and call it a day. So that gets pushed there. Oh yes. I was like, what's this 8-2? But that's array at j and j plus 1. Okay. Quite a number of steps, isn't it? But it's quite cool. get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, that's one sorting algorithm bubbling. Okay. I'm trying to think. So I guess because we do a for loop. But for loops just go forward. Oh, but each one. Okay, so each one. Alright, so for the outer loop, we repeat the inner loop for each iteration. So for j goes through sort of 1 to 5. And then from I2, I is equal to, or I0, I1, I2. So we get to do it for each element of the array. Right, okay, cool. That makes sense. So I'm wondering, so for instance, the one, how did that get? So for instance here, right, where we've got 82413, right? For I is equal to 0, we are starting off here, right? And we're going through that iteration. We're still in I0. And then we're going through to J, where J is 0. And we're taking this and making a comparison. This guy here, this guy. So, yeah. So here we're moving the 8 across in these first 5 iterations. Just going through 8. But then I is equal to 2. So now we have a new sort of thingy. We've got 2 here. And then we're going to do the same thing for yeah, we're going to do the same thing for the 2 and compare and compare and compare. So 2 will be less than 4, so that's fine. We don't do anything. Over here, see 4. Right, so in our console log, we can see J, 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 J. And 2, 4. And then 4, 1. And then 4, 3. And then 4, yeah. Okay. So it is, because we've got these 2 loops, we're able to iterate through each element for each of the iterations, each 5 iterations, comparing them before we then move on to the next one for I. Okay, that's okay, cool. I just need to do this again. Sorry for the yawning. So we're going to implement another sorting algorithm, a selection sort. Selection sort works by finding the smallest value in the array, then swapping it with the first value in the array. Then it finds the next smallest value in the array, swaps it with the second value in the array, and continues iterating through the array until it's sorted. Okay. So I guess, yeah, these might be things I need to start remembering, I think. Cool. Let's see, selection sort. I'm gonna be lazy. Where's my 4? Because this one is pretty standard. We all use this, you know. And now we've got to give it what to do. I am a shooting star. So selection sorts for lies and tracking the index of the smallest value in the array. Declare a variable index and set it to I. This ensures that if your current value is the smallest, it will be swapped with itself and not be moved. You will need to be able to reassign the value of min index as you iterate through the array. Then write another for loop using J. This will need to start at the index after I and iterate through the rest of the array. Okay. Now I think it's significant that they've said this. Right. That makes me think I need to use a let or a var. So the reason I'm thinking it might need to be array.length minus 1 is because we're... let me think about this. So we want J to start after I, and we want to iterate for the rest of the array. But the rest of the array will be array length minus I. So if my array length is 5, right? So there's 5 elements, and I start at I is equal to 0. I want J to continue iterating until the end. No, until 4. Yeah. So I think that's it. Yep. Okay, I wonder if that's not it then. Yeah, okay. Oh no, because array.length doesn't necessarily change, does it? Yeah, we're just starting somewhere else. Okay, cool. Fair. Something's gone wrong with the stream. Let me just check. When the stream goes wrong, it's not helpful. So I feel like something's gone wrong with the stream. It's actually surprisingly hard to find your own channel on YouTube. Yeah, okay. So something did go wrong with my Streamlab as opposed to with the stream itself, which is fine. But yeah, let's finish this bit. Inside your nested loop, add a console log called check the values of array j, and array min index at each iteration. At present, we're not doing anything, but yeah, cool. Let's again. Oh, I deleted it. I deleted it. Okay, so I have to type. I can't believe I have to type. And that's why I can't believe I have to type. Alright. So I want to see the array. We then want to see array at j. And then we want to see array of the min index. Then we want to write an if statement. That checks if array at j is less than array at min index. And if so, we want to set min index is equal to j. So let's see. I'm doing the same thing in smaller thingies. But it's not finishing though. It's not doing much of anything. Right, where it is moving the min index. Okay. 26. Alright. I'm gonna call it there. Thank you guys for watching whenever you do. And yeah, I've only recently found out that some of you have been leaving comments. So please do leave a comment. I will try and be more mindful of responding and seeing if there's any way I can help. I'm going to put my solutions on GitHub because one person asked for it. So I'm going to do that now. And yeah, I'll probably leave my GitHub tag on the description so you can find it if you ever need, especially the certification projects. Then you can sort of see what's being done or how I've implemented it, albeit my implementations are bare minimum because I still I'm not super confident with CSS, but yeah. So we're turning up to get better and better.